Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do kind of like a craft with me video, and we're going back to Christmas just for a little while, or for this video at least, and we are going to craft with this die set. I just recently got this from a design team package, and I actually ordered this beforehand, before I even got it in a design team package, because I didn't know what was going to be in my design team package, and I wanted it, but I never got to craft with it for Christmas. So we're going to craft with it today. The idea of this die set is that this is like a cookie sheet, and then you have all of these cookies that you could put on your sheet, and you could put a background on it or whatever you want. They all come with little shadow pieces, which is nice because I love the whole layering thing. But yeah, it's kind of like a baking set. You don't have to use it as a baking set. You could just use the pieces individually, which is one of the many things that I love about this. Like, I love being able to use all these pieces separately. And that's actually what I'm going to do today. I know tons of you guys have seen this die set before, and you guys have seen that people were making the little cookie sheets and everything, but I'm going to do something different, and I'm not going to do the cookie sheet. We're just going to do a card using all these other little pieces. So let's get into my video and let's get started. So I already have my card base here. You guys know I love making these step cards. So I have the card base kind of already put together. Let me actually just make this flat. What I'm going to do now is take all of my shadow pieces, like these are, the white ones are all my shadow pieces, which you guys saw that come in the die. And I'm just going to stick on all the layered ones on top of it. So for example, I have this gingerbread right here, and we're going to stick him on his piece, and we're going to do this with all the pieces because I like that shadow kind of layered look. So we're just going to stick them all on here. And it kind of makes it look more like a cookie. I don't know if that makes sense. Maybe it doesn't, but I like it. Here I have these gold, these stars. Hold on, there's like a little piece still in there. The star die is very detailed, and it cuts out a whole bunch of little holes in here, which I guess you guys can't really tell. But maybe you'll be able to see it better once it's on the white background. But it's very detailed and I love it. Okay, it's still a little hard to tell, but it's detailed, guys. Be careful with the star die because there's a certain way that it's supposed to go. Like, that looks funny because of that piece. So just make sure you know which way you're going to be placing it before you stick it on. Okay, and then the last thing I have are some candy canes. These also have some detail to it, but they're hard to see on the glitter paper. And I cut one out this way, and then the other one I cut out the other way because I thought that would look good. Okay, so I have those pieces. Now what I'm going to do with the ho-ho-hos is I also cut them out with some foam. So I'm just going to glue all of these on. Or maybe I should just like glue these first. Which way do these go? Oh, there's a right way and a wrong way, so I would have done that wrong already. Alright, let me glue down all these ho-ho-hos. Okay, so now I'm going to take these and just stick them onto the shadow die that I had, well, not the die, but the shadow piece that I had already cut out. I think the ho-ho-ho would look good even without the shadow piece, but I like the shadows again, so we're using them all. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just glue these on here. I really want like the ho-ho-ho going here. Okay, I was also thinking of possibly using a bow, but I think that's a little much. In this case, I think that bow's a little too big. Let me see if this one would look good. I feel like it needs a little something. Oh, that cute little bow would look good there. Maybe they should all get a bow. Oh, I think that looks so cute. Okay, maybe we'll do the bow. Okay, I'm not putting glue on like every single piece, or not like all over the back is what I mean, because it's going to be sticking out a little bit. Okay, and then this one I want sticking out this way, so I'm going to cut off a little bit on the O and not go completely with the glue. Let me just make sure that's not coming through. Okay, good. And then the last one I'm going to cut off a little bit on the H. Oh wait guys, I really wanted something down here. I wanted to put down this trim. So let me cut this off. Hoping this stays with regular glue. Hoping that stays with regular glue. I've never used regular glue on ribbon before, but I really want that to work. Okay, and then we're gonna put down this last ho-ho. Okay, glue it again because the glue dried up. Okay, I think I need to turn on my hot glue, guys. This is coming along so nicely though. So there's the front of the card. Now these pieces, I just wanted to kind of like stack here. So let me just try to get an idea of what I want this to look like. Ooh, that one looks good there. And you could totally put some of these onto acetate, which is something I might do. This one might go up here. I do like that one star piece back there though. But I do think I want these guys popped up on some acetate. Alright, so I'm going to have to take apart my card base a little bit. I'm going to get some acetate because I want some of these propped up on acetate. Okay, so I just have this acetate right here, and we're just going to stick him onto the gingerbread man. And then I'm going to cut off a little piece here because I do want him sticking out. And you kind of want to use like a heavier weight acetate for this. You don't want something that's like too flimsy. You want it to kind of be like a pop-up thing, but you don't want it to like flop over completely, if you guys get what I'm saying. All right, so let me show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna put a dab of hot glue, and I'm gonna stick it onto the back here. Okay, I'm gonna have him go inside of here, but I don't want him sticking out past the ho-ho. So something like that. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue on the bottom, front and back, and I'm gonna stick him inside here again. Let me just quickly look. Okay, and then I'll press back down with my paper. So now you guys could see, like when you see somebody opens this up, it'll kind of like flop open. I think that's really cute. Okay, the star, I just want him hanging out there on the bottom. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue there on the very bottom. And he's just gonna be right here. I think I like the star here in the front. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more glue on the bottom, and he's gonna cover up a little bit of the ribbon, but I do like him down here. Wait, which one? This way. And then these guys, I want this guy popping up here. I'm gonna put this guy on some acetate. Where'd my acetate go? Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of glue. And you could cover up this backing so you can't see the glue if you want to. To me, it's not a big deal. Okay, and I want this one to go, it's gonna go behind this paper also. So let me just lift this up a little bit. But he's gonna go in the middle this time. Let me just kind of make sure he's a little too long. I want him to be shorter like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue front, back, because I really want it to stick inside there. And yeah, something like that. And I'm gonna press down with that paper and then stick that paper back down. He's a little crooked, guys, but there's nothing that I could do about that now. These guys, I'm kind of wondering if they just look cute like that. Because I think I kind of like them like that. Like I like them together. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue right there so we could stick these two together. And maybe they should get a bow. I'm going to stick these down, so I'm going to put some glue. Isn't that cute, guys? And then I'm thinking about the bow, but I'm not sure. I mean, I think it looks cute. So we could use that same bow a couple of times. I have a whole bunch of these that I ordered from AliExpress at the end of the season. And I was going to use them for next year's crafts, but I mean, I guess technically it is next year, right? It's 2020, guys. Okay, so I could do that. And then I kind of want to just put a bow up here. Let's just do one bow. Okay, so I have this other bow, and I like him up here. There we go. I'm also thinking of just cutting out a little, this little bow up here that comes in the set, and I think I'm going to put him onto the gingerbread man. So let me be right back, and I'm going to cut this out. Okay, so I have this cute little bow that I cut out. It's kind of like a light color. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm going to put him in here. And I just want to say, guys, if you are still watching this video, I have a giveaway for you guys. So like I mentioned, because I have two sets of these. I have the one that I ordered, and I have one from my design team. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So you guys are going to get this whole entire set, and you guys will be able to craft with it as well. Like, just look how cute this card came out. I love it. It's so adorable. So if you guys want to win, just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below, I love Christmas crafts. That's all you need to do. Just comment below to be entered. And I will, when you are chosen as a winner, I will comment and respond to your comment. And then you're just going to have a certain amount of time to email me with your information. And that's it, guys. Super easy giveaway to win this die set. So I hope you guys stay tuned to the end of this video. And yeah, how cute! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my goodness, it turned out so cute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the links down below in case you guys want to purchase this die set as well, and any links for how I made this card or these little bows that I used and everything. So yeah, alright guys, I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!